A guide you to recover deleted messages in your Instagram. So let's open Instagram, tap on the profile, navigate to settings, and there you can scroll down to find your activity. If you scroll down all the way, you can find download your information. If you tap on that, and it will take you to the page where you need to download or transfer, and you can tap on download information. You can ask for Instagram, and if you need some of your information, you can download some by selecting your wish. And if you need all available information, and you can go for all available, I'm tapping on some of your information, and from there it will ask you whatever the information you want, and you can select. So let's say we need messages, so I can scroll down to find messages, and if I tap on that, and messages will be tapped, and if I tap on next, and it will ask me where I need to download that information. You can download to the specific device where you are logging to Instagram, or otherwise you can transfer to the place where you need it. And if you transfer, you can select where to the destination. I can select the destination like Google Drive or Dropbox, or otherwise it can show you an email also. Sometimes you can download to device, and if you tap on download to device, it will ask you a format or otherwise the media quality, and it will be notified to your email. If you tap on create files, then that will be downloaded and sent your email. This is how you can check or recover your deleted messages in your Instagram. Thank you.